5 Best Cooking Oils for People with High Cholesterol, recommended by experts. Did you know that choosing the right cooking oil, such as olive oil for cholesterol, can help control cholesterol and protect your heart health? For those with high cholesterol, selecting the appropriate cooking oil is not just a cooking habit, but a meaningful step toward improving overall health. In today's video, we'll explore the 5 best cooking oils for people with high cholesterol, as recommended by experts. These oils, including olive oil cholesterol-lowering benefits, help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and naturally support heart health. Additionally, I'll share tips on choosing the right oils and highlight which oils you should avoid to protect your body from potential risks. Let's dive in and make small changes that can significantly impact your health and your family's well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more valuable health tips, including how to use cooking oils like olive oil for cholesterol management in the future. Let's get started. 1. How to choose cooking oils for high cholesterol. Choosing the right cooking oil for high cholesterol isn't complicated. It just requires attention to your options. For starters, look for cholesterol-free or zero cholesterol oil options to ensure you make heart-healthy choices. First, prioritize oils rich in monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats, such as olive oil, for cholesterol management. These healthy fats help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, protecting your heart health. These oils, often called oil for cholesterol patients, are excellent for daily use. Second, choose oils that can withstand high temperatures, especially for frying or sautéing. Options like zero cholesterol oil with a high smoke point are safer because they don't release harmful substances when cooked at high heat. Finally, saturated and trans fats, which can act as cholesterol oils by raising bad cholesterol, LDL levels, and increasing the risk of atherosclerosis and severe heart conditions, should be avoided. By making small changes, such as opting for cholesterol-reducing oils like olive oil cholesterol, you can take steps toward better heart health and overall well-being daily. 2. Types of cooking oils. Good for high cholesterol. Choosing the right cooking oil helps control cholesterol and protect heart health. Below are the 5 best cholesterol-free oils to incorporate into your daily diet. First, olive oil. With its naturally delicious flavor, olive oil's cholesterol benefits make it an excellent choice for people with high cholesterol. This zero cholesterol oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, promoting heart health. Olive oil is especially suited for fresh salads or light sautés, offering health benefits and full flavor in every dish. Second, soybean oil light and easy to use. Soybean oil is an ideal cholesterol control oil for those looking to protect their heart health. Soybean oil is packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, helps manage cholesterol levels, and enhances overall well-being. This highly versatile, cholesterol-free oil suits frying, sautéing, and everyday cooking. Third, canola oil. Canola oil, light and healthy, is a perfect choice for people with high cholesterol. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and low in saturated fats, making it excellent for heart health. As a zero cholesterol oil with a high smoke point, canola oil is especially suitable for frying, roasting, and baking, providing flavor while supporting your overall well-being. Fourth, sunflower oil. With its mild flavor and high vitamin E content, sunflower oil is a fantastic cholesterol oil control choice for supporting heart health. It contains plenty of polyunsaturated fats, which effectively help control cholesterol. Sunflower oil is ideal for light frying or sautéing, ensuring your meals are tasty and heart-friendly. Fifth, peanut oil. Peanut oil is perfect for deep frying with its rich, distinctive flavor. Containing monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, this cholesterol-friendly oil promotes heart health while maintaining the crispiness of fried foods. Peanut oil is a fantastic option if you want fried dishes that are both delicious and healthier. Incorporating these cholesterol-reducing oils into your diet can make a big difference in managing cholesterol levels and maintaining overall health. 3 types of cooking oils to avoid high cholesterol. Choosing the right cooking oil is essential, but knowing which cholesterol oils to avoid is equally important to prevent worsening lousy cholesterol levels. Here are the oils you should limit. Coconut oil. Although natural and flavorful, coconut oil's cholesterol levels are very high due to its saturated fats. These fats increase bad cholesterol, LDL, and harm heart health. Animal fats. Fats from pork, beef, or poultry are rich in saturated fats and cholesterol, leading to arterial plaque buildup and higher risks of heart disease. These are not cholesterol-free oils and should be avoided. Palm oil. Palm oil has a high content of saturated fats and is often found in processed foods, making it unsuitable for people with high cholesterol. It's an example of an oil cholesterol source that may worsen your condition. Processed or hydrogenated oils. These oils contain trans fats, commonly found in baked goods, fast foods, and packaged snacks. Trans fats increase LDL, reduce HDL, and pose significant risks to heart health, making them the least recommended cholesterol control oils. Tip: avoid these oils and replace them with heart-healthy options like olive oil cholesterol control, soybean oil, or canola oil to better manage cholesterol and support cardiovascular well-being. Here are the 5 best cooking oils for people with high cholesterol that you can easily incorporate into your daily diet. These oils, including olive oil for cholesterol, help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, increase good cholesterol, HDL, and naturally and safely protect heart health. Start making small changes, like choosing healthier cooking oils, such as olive oil cholesterol management, to significantly impact your health and your family. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos about nutrition, health, and the benefits of using olive oil for cholesterol reduction. Thank you for watching, stay healthy, and see you next time.